Hey Forex Militia, we are going to go right to the charts this week to just take a look at what's going on with the markets. I believe the NFP posted on Friday and it posted better than expected. So we got some definite price action that actually happened from that. Alright, so here on the dollar is basically in a retracement mode. Okay, it's still bullish. I have this on a daily time frame. It basically just printed some divergence. So this would be the point where it has descended to, and then it diverged over here. So there could be two or three more divergences, but I am bullish on the dollar. On the US 30 it looks like it's topping. I don't know. My sentiment is still that this is still bearish. Okay, I believe that the COT still has a short, so we are going to be looking to still take short trades on the Dow 30, on the Dow Jones. On gold basically did the same thing. It basically followed the dollar. As the dollar was going down, gold was going up, and it created divergence. Okay, but I am still, well, so the COT still has this long, but this is still in a downtrend, so I am bearish. On Bitcoin, we are looking at still bearish. There was no retracement, and it didn't even move with the dollar, which is pretty interesting. It didn't move with the dollar, and it didn't move with the Dow Jones. So we're still looking to see what's going to happen with FTX and some of the other, and the other one that I believe another cryptocurrency firm just went under. I forgot the name of it, but maybe I'll put it in as a title so you can see it. Okay. On oil, we have the oil is still basically looking bearish on the daily time frame, and we have this. It was a small pullback, so it basically should continue to go short. On the CAD basically rallied some, and it looks. I believe that this is still long, so I'm going to be bullish on the CAD. On the euro basically pulled back also, and it pretty much with the dollar, and it is now looking divergent. It looks like it's about to hit 105 up here, and so we are looking to see if it'll turn around and come back down. But right now it's in pullback mode, diverging. So we'll see what happens. And on the pound it followed the euro, and the euro basically pulled back, and so did the pound. And so now it is also diverging, and we're looking for it to fall. Okay, so if you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. And there are links in the description for TradeMiner, for EA Builder, and Season X. So this is possible. The closest thing to the Holy Grail is following the smart money, and knowledge is power. Be power hungry and power to the people. This is possible. Signing out.